In this video, I'll show you how to use and edit code in Replit step by step. First, go to the Replit website and log into your account. After logging in, open the project you want to use. With the project open, you will see the project preview on the screen. If you want to view or modify the code, go to the top bar. Now right-click on the preview and find the Change Step option. Here you can view the tools and processes of the project. Now go to the Files option. Inside Files, you will find all the project code files. For example, you can open the package.json file. Here you can modify any line of code in the project. After making changes, simply save the file. If needed, you can format the code to return it to the standard structure. You can also use Ctrl+Z to undo changes. After that, return to the preview to see the updates.